Hello guys, so here is the new stuff from Hypertech, which is the Optic Division slide from Hypertech. So this comes in RMR or RTS RMS pattern. So here I have is the RMS RTS pattern mounting system. So this slide is super duper durable. I've used this in 12 kg, max stack, 8 kg to 10 kg, and I also use Puff Dino 14 kg, like this one. This is the 14 kg. Because we're running out of gas here in the Philippines, so I'm using the leftover 14 kg. So, the slide survived. I'll show you how the mounting works. So here is the mounting. The cool stuff about the Hypertech is this has a steel inserts. See? So this will be super duper durable because it has steel inserts and it won't move. So it's not like the other 3D slides that it's directly mounted on the 3D. No, this has metal insert. So this metal insert is super durable. This gun runs, I guess, more than 10,000 rounds. So it's still alive, even I use 14 kg. And it's super fast. I'm shooting this in unlimited or open division and I managed to win the last level 3 match using this one. Super fast. And I really love it. So in the future, the optics division is not yet official, but I'm expecting it will be official anytime soon this year. Hoping. Because in real steel, it's still a fresh division. So, in the future, this will be a popular slide in the future. And I really like it. The serrations, the lightweight, the recoil, it really works. So, once you get this, you have the guide plug. What's this? The mount. Yeah, I guess this is the mount. The guide plug, the mount, the blowback housing, the piston head, it's already included there. The combination, the part combination that I have, you can use a Guns Modify nozzle, then I'm using a Hypertech slide. Buffers, usually I use this kind of thickness, this number, for 5.1 slides. So I can still increase the number, but I'm contented with that because I want reliability over performance. So this one is super reliable. I have no problems with it. So originally I'm using it on this lower. Now I transfer it to this because now I'm gonna shoot a real open gun, not a optics gun. But anyway, this will work as my backup. So this is a Carnotaurus or ICS Carnotaurus, and it works really well with this one. So you can use this on Carnotaurus or ICS or other TM clones, or you can use it on a custom gun. So this is my new custom Hypertech slide. I really love this. So the design of this one is kinda similar with Champion's Choice, but I make it more boring, so it's just a plain slide inspired in Infinity. I've been using this for how many rounds? I guess 3,000 rounds and have no problems with it. This is super sweet. This is almost no recoil. Almost no recoil. This one has a little recoil because of there's a red dot. This one is kinda super flat. This one is still super flat. Don't get me wrong, guys. This is still super flat even with the red dot on the slide. So, yeah. So, that's it for the Hypertech update. It's a nice slide to have for optics division. You can play this in open optics in the Philippines, stock, high cap, or unlimited. And, yeah. A very nice, very nice slide. And something to have. So, that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video and I hope you learned something from it.
Ah, ah, ah.